channel Sparkle with Madhushri. So I'm back with a video that is an accessorizing video after a very long time, but because I was pretty much busy again with my exams and I had a very hectic schedule. If you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to show you how to create such pretty easy looks with proper accessorizing, as I'm going to show you today, and dressing, hairstyle, makeup ideas, everything. So in one channel you're getting the whole package. So what are you waiting for? Press the subscribe button and the bell icon beside to it, so that any new video updated by me, you will get the notification very soon. So I won't blabber here much today, and let's straight away begin with our new video. So first of all, we need to understand what kind of tone our dresses are of. For example, if it is a very bright red or yellow or orange, then you must definitely wear golden tone kind of earrings. And if it is a pastel colors or blue, or sometimes it's very dark, that how to explain that, it won't go that very well with the golden one, then you should wear with the silver tone earrings as well. So since I wear very much amount of like pastel colors, and then blues are some of my very common color in my wardrobe, so I always buy blue silver tone earrings much more than the golden tone ones. So there are many varieties of earring designs, especially the hook designs, which I'm going to show you right now. So beginning with the first earring which comes in my hand. देखते हैं कौन सा earring आते हैं. Okay, so these are the heart shaped hook kind of a earrings. Let me show you clearly. It looks somewhat like this. And आपको मैं दिखाती हूँ कि ये खोलता कैसे है. So this is how it opens. So you need to do somewhat like this. So I always keep it like at the other part with this, so that it doesn't get lost whenever I need to wear them for my college. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. You can see the intricacy of this earring. It is like wow. And for the closure time, you just need to do it like this. So this earring is a very lightweight kind of a earring, and if you really want to wear this, you can pair it up with your short kurtis, then your normal kurtis as well, which doesn't have that very much kind of work. I will be showing you the kurti designs maybe here, with which you can wear this earring. And the price of this earring is just, I had bought it from some fair in Kolkata, so I bought it for 45 rupees, which is like, I guess. So this is how it looks, and this is kind of one of my favorites, like when I'm not in a very good mood or not in a mood to wear some chunky earrings, because as you have got to know by now that I have a very round face, so I always need to wear certain a little big size of earrings. Okay, then comes the mirror collection. Now mirrors are something which recently have gained its attention a lot, be it in dresses, be it anywhere. So what I'm going to show you is this earring. Alright, so I'm going to explain to you what kind of earring it is of. It's very unique and it is very lightweight, as you can see over here. It's very lightweight. So let me show you the closure type. It is a fish hook. So what you need to do is just remove this. As I said, that niche giri gaya. Never mind. So this is how it looks. You just need to attach it to this here and you're done. Okay, so this kind of hook of earrings are called as long hook, or it's fish hook kind of earrings. Not fish hook, so long hook, or it's safety pin attachment earrings. Okay, so as you can see over here that the charm or the mirror is attached like this, so that it gives a very nice finish. And this is how it looks. It's not that very big also, and it is perfect for girls who wear salwar kameezes in college like me. So this is how it looks. The INR cost for this one is just 75 rupees, and I had bought it from Silver Dust Handmade Jewelry. I will post their profile picture right here, and it is very comfortable to wear. Like ये जो safety pin जैसा जो hook वाले earrings होते हैं, जैसा आपको ये दिख रहा है, they are very comfortable to wear, and they are like, how to explain, they won't stretch your earlobe that very much. And as we all girls travel to different places, different areas, so खींचाना नहीं होता है, फिर मतलब हैंडल करना दिक्कत होता है. Then the back side of the top earrings, like I'm wearing one today, this is from KK Stores. So ये गुम हो जाता है कभी कभार, but in this case, this kind of earrings, the incidents which I narrated right now won't happen if you wear this kind of earrings. So these are very much like on trend also as well, and you can definitely try this kind of earrings. Now most of them I have these designs. Now the next comes the gemstones. So it is again from jewel_destination. I will post the picture right here, and this is how it looks. The stone earring, pura zircon stone earring, which has pearl drops, small raindrops kind of. And of course this is a fish hook kind, as you can see over here. If you wear it up like this, so it will look very gorgeous, especially if you wear sarees. Like जो ऑफिस नहीं तो अपने स्कूल में मतलब टीचर्स नहीं तो कोई और उसमें काम करते हैं, साड़ीज पहनना पड़ता है. So this will look absolutely tremendous, and not only in saree, but it also will look good with like salwar kameezes also. So the INR cost of this earring is just rupees 130, and it is my favorite. It is all my college girls' favorite, my girls' swag favorite, and they absolutely love this one. It's for 130 rupees, which is काफ़ी किफ़ायती and in other Instagram pages some of them will be selling them for 500 rupees, so don't fall for them. I will rather say be careful. Like whenever you buy earrings, you need to be extra careful when you buy them, because like they will be charging you like anything, and they will be like comparing the quality, and they will be like exaggerating kind of. But see, it should not cross the gold prices, right? So, and these are for regular wear, so इतना नहीं होना चाहिए. And the sole aim of this video is that all the earrings will be under 200 rupees. So this is, I guess, the most costliest one, the one which I'm going to show you now today. So this is the one. Now let's move into the next one. It will be clustered earrings. Now what are cluster beads earrings? So let me show you one. So this is how it looks. This is the cluster bead earrings, and it is also, you know, like long hook or safety pin hook kind of an earring. The INA cost of this one is just 75 rupees, and this one also I bought it from Jewel_Destination. And oh my god, I love this, you know, the bird design. I hope that you guys can see over here. And it isn't like making so much sound, so it is perfect for office. Like you don't want to have the ching ching chan chan wali आवाज when you go to office or when you go to college, because pin drop silence वहाँ पर maintain करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So this earrings is somewhat like that. Like I will be showing you a model. Are you able to hear the noise so much? Well, I'm not able to hear, so I guess you guys also are not able to hear that sound properly. So this is how it looks. और मैंने इसको as usual मैंने अपने जितने भी पुराने earrings दिखाए वैसे मैंने लिया है. And this earrings also from Jewel_Destination. And let me tell you guys, Jewel_Destination is one site where you can actually invest. Most of the earrings are under 75 rupees for all kind of face shapes, and all are mostly under 100. And if you really want to invest some heavy kind of a design, then I will be suggesting that store's name in the description box below. Do check that out. And in Jewel_Destination का भी मैं पक्का से इसका link अपने description box में दे दूँगी, so do check them out. So moving into the next design. So the next design is, oh my god, it's my favorite. It is the butterfly design. Like oh my god, this one I had made customized by talking with the owner of Jewel_Destination, and I'm just loving it. Oh my god, this is like so good. Okay, so these are also, most of them are lightweight, except maybe this one is a little heavy by weight, and this one is of course lightweight only. Okay, so this is how it looks, and it is perfect for like pastel kind of dresses. I hope that my dress comes early, और इसमें आपको यहाँ पर एक पिक्चर दिखा पाती, पर अभी unfortunately नहीं दिखा पाऊंगी. Never mind. So this is how it looks. The butterfly design is very attractive. As usual, इसका भी इतना साउंड नहीं आता है. एंड जब यहाँ पर रूम पूरा क्लोज अप है, पूरा पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस है, फिर भी आप सुनाई नहीं दे रहे, then you can well understand that these are not that very noise making kind of earring. So the next earring which I'm going to show you, again it's again of this long hook kind of, because they are very very comfortable guys. So this is how it looks. It's the chakra earring. They have a lot of variety in these earrings actually, and you can actually wear them. Why to wear always the fish hook kind of earrings when you can get some better options and which are comfortable with your ear as well. So this is how it looks. और मैंने Jewel_Destination की काफ़ी सारे earrings अपने वीडियोज़ में पहना है, और you guys are given so much love to all of my videos, so you guys can pour some love in their Instagram, especially the girls can pour some of their love in the Instagram pages, so check them out. So this is how it looks. These are very good and attractive. It is not that boring designs which I am showing you right now. They are very very affordable. They are very good. So the final in the silver ones will be one of my favorite stores I will be saying, and I have been buying from this store since maybe 2018. It is this one. It is from KK Stores. However, this design is somewhat like not so available, and I had bought this long time back, and look at the shine. Like you won't believe me, but this was actually bought in the year of 2018, and this, just look at the design, just look at the shine guys. It's still the same. It is still the same, like oh my god. And tassels, as we all know that they are very lightweight, they are very vibrant, they are very colorful, and this grey color is somewhat like very unique, and you won't be getting them very easily. I had bought it fortunately, and I'm just like, this is one of my favorites. And this one also I got it for 100 rupees I guess. And let me tell you the other earrings price. This is for 25 rupees, can you imagine? Yeah guys, it's for 35 rupees. And this one is for maybe like not maybe, it's 85 rupees, because मैंने पहले लॉकडाउन में खरीदा था, और मैं यहाँ पे चेन्नई में हूँ, तो मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है कि एक्चुअल प्राइसेस क्या है. So this is for 85 rupees, and I can guarantee you that these all are under 100 rupees. Okay, so that's all for the silver earrings, and they are very unique and the best for wearing in college and for office. Now I will go moving with the golden. Moving in with the golden tone earrings, let me tell you one guys, that how to maintain earrings and their shine. What you can do is, always keep them in a closed container, and over them whenever you wear them, just sanitize them a little with some soft cloth, and once like you remove, like you're satisfied that it's clean, pour some talcum powder over them and then keep inside the closed container. Shake it well a little so that the powder coating is well made over the earrings, and then the shine will be maintained the same almost for a lot of time. So बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल मैं अभी जो दिखा सकती हूँ कि मैंने जो अभी आपको बताया है कि ईयरिंग्स को कैसे मेंटेन रखा जा सकता है. सो आई गेस दिस इज द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल. अभी तक ये नया लगता है. तो दिस इज माई सीक्रेट एज टू हाउ आई मेंटेन माई ईयरिंग्स का शाइन, माई लुक्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सो मूविंग इन विद द गोल्डन टोन्ड ईयरिंग्स. तो गोल्डन टोन्ड ईयरिंग्स में हम सभी को पता है कि पंजाब की जो कुड़ियाँ जो पहनती है ना एकदम हुक्स वाली, आय है मज़ा ही आ जाता है उनको देखने में, इतनी सुंदर लगती है. सो आई हैव दैट डिज़ाइन का मिनी वर्जन विच इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर ऑफिस वर्क. सो दिस इज द थिंग. ये वाला हमने देखा था बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया में. ऑलमोस्ट आलिया भट्ट ने सेम काइंड ऑफ ईयरिंग्स ही पहना था. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. इसका हुक का डिज़ाइन इज समवॉट लाइक इट्स अ लॉक काइंड ऑफ. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज जस्ट pierce it in, and then for closing need to do that. That's it, it's done. ऐसे दिखने में लगता है like oh my god, see, I know that I'm wearing a very big jhumka today because to complement with this red I needed to wear, but oh my god, just look at this design, it looks so good, like perfect for office work. या lightweight भी है, सुंदर भी लगता है, and you can wear this with vibrant color का dresses like बांधनी print हो गया red color में, purples हो गए, reds हो गए, yellows हो गए, oranges हो गए, ब्लैक भी कभी कभी इसके साथ आप टीम अप कर सकते हो. तो ब्लैक इज नॉट दैट वेरी ओवर पावरिंग, लाइक उसमें ज़्यादा डिजाइन है नहीं. सो दिस ईयरिंग्स आर मीन्स you will thank me later you know if you buy this design का like earrings. And the price of this earring is around 65 rupees, and I had bought it from गरियाहाट in कोलकाता. So ऐसे ये डिज़ाइन के earrings आपको और भी पेजेस में मिल जाएंगे. थोड़ा ढूंढना पड़ेगा बट इतना तो आप ढूंढ ही सकते हो. So the next earring will be, see, don't kill me, it is again the long hook design. So गुस्सा करने से पहले just look at the design. Okay, I will be showing you like this. Oh my goodness, you see the pretty flowery design. Oh my god, this looks so pretty, this looks so beautiful. Like मेरे को बहुत पसंद है ये वाला. And this is just for 45 rupees, and this is also from jewel_destination. आप विश्वास नहीं करोगी, आप लोग लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द गर्ल्स लाइक कंप्लेन दैट शाइन जो या 2 बार पहनने के बाद ही चला जाता है, ज़्यादा दिन रहता नहीं है. ये मैंने ऑलरेडी 3 महीनों से पहना है, कोई भी कलर फेड आउट नहीं है. एंड यू कैन सी द एविडेंस. अभी मैं पाउडर में डुबो के रखती हूँ. सी दैट whitish kind of like stains a little. So whenever you will wear them again, right, so just brush them off and then you wear it again, so it will be neat. So this is it. Another, and if you really don't want to experiment with the hook thing, so you can go for the fish hook designs and go something like, जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं जाली डिज़ाइन, like this something. This is a tree design, very cool, very awesome. Like if you have short hair, this will complement very good, and this will complement with टॉप्स एंड जीन्स. लाइक कोई शॉर्ट कुर्ती पहन लिया तो इसके साथ बहुत ही सुंदर लगेगा. एंड सब इंडो वेस्टर्न काइंड ऑफ टॉप्स, तो इसके साथ सब बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. द फाइनल कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस वन इज 40 रुपीज़, एंड मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, आई लव ट्री. सो द नेक्स्ट ईयरिंग इज माय फेवरेट है, बड़े क्यूट है, बहुत प्यारे हैं. एंड दिस इज इट. इट इज द बर्ड, वुडन बर्ड ईयरिंग, एंड यू सी ओवर हियर, इट्स सो क्यूट. सो वुडन ईयरिंग है तो थोड़ा सा लाइक इंट्रिकेसी ये राजस्थान में बहुत ज़्यादा मिलता है. ओके, सो दिस डिज़ाइन INR कॉस्ट इज 50 रुपीज़, एंड दिस 3 एक्चुअली आर फ्रॉम jewel_destination only. एंड ओ माई गॉड, दिस इज सो लाइट वेट. आप किसी भी प्लेन सॉलिड कुर्ते के साथ अगर आप ये टीम अप करके पहनते हो, ओ माई गॉड, इतना सुंदर लगेगा. एंड इट इज़ नॉट एट ऑल ओवर पावरिंग, सो ऑफिस वेयर, डेली वेयर के लिए परफेक्ट है व्हेन यू वेयर इंडियन वेयर. So the next will be a Tibetan kind of earring. बहुत लोगों को आपने पहनते हुए देखा था, पर आपको पता नहीं था कि ये Tibetan earring भी बोला जाता है ऐसे करके. So this are the earrings. Okay, let me show you some. Just a minute. So these are the Tibetan kind of earrings. This one I had got from an Instagram page. I don't remember the name, but once I search it off, I can give the link of that page below. But some of the Instagram pages are not functioning very well. So you can get the same earrings from another Instagram page. So you can check from there out. and see how beautiful these earrings are. These are teardrop earrings and it is of a Tibetan design, and the INR cost for this one was 120 rupees when I had bought it. And after you must have got by now that इसको किसके साथ पहना है. Yes, you guessed it right. You can wear it with anything. It's very versatile, very stylish, and I wear them with most of my rayon kurtis because यहाँ पर summers के टाइम में बहुत जीना ही कठिन हो जाता है, इतना गर्मी पड़ता है. Oh my god. So whatever weight, ये वाले बहुत लाइट वेट के हैं and these are very pretty. Look at this. And the final earring of today will be in a mix of gold black tone earring. जो कि आप सभी लोगों को पता चल गया होगा कि like the black complete black earrings I am not liking because मुझे लगता है कि no I am not liking. I don't know why. So these are the earrings. This is from creative_zeal. मैं उनके प्रोफाइल का पिक्चर यहाँ पर फिर से पोस्ट कर दूँगी. So this is how it looks. इसमें ऑक्सीडाइज होकर इसमें गोल्डन झुमका ही है. And oh my god, this I wear with my Patiala suits most of the time. एक करके मेरे पास 2 पटियाला सूट्स हैं. Look at the shine. Oh my god. थोड़ा सा इसमें साउंड होता है कैसे? You can hear the sound right? तो थोड़ा सा साउंड होता है, बट इंडियंस के साथ इंडियन वेयर के साथ नहीं तो आप लोग सलवार कमीज के साथ इसको आप इजीली पहन सकते हो. लाइक ओके लेट मी शो यू दिस. ना प्यारा लग रहा है नहीं? इट्स वेरी वेरी प्रिटी एंड वेरी वेरी गुड. And the INR cost of this one is 190 rupees. Alright. So as I said that all of my earrings are under 200 rupees. So this is something. And हाँ ये थोड़ा सा heavy weight है. So it lies upon you whether you want to buy, like whether you will be able to handle such heavy weight earrings or not. It depends upon you. Now since I started wearing this kind of earrings, imitation earrings, when I was in my first year, and now I am in 3rd year of my course. So इसलिए मुझे आदत हो चुका है. But these are pretty lovely when you wear with Indian attires. Yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I'm definitely guarantee you that the quality of these earrings will be awesome if you buy from their respective pages, including this one. This is a little heavy one, but ये भी मैंने KK store से लिया है. You can actually check their awesome collection right now. They give sometimes very exclusive and very very good discounts, so आप ज़रूर से check करिएगा. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I know that I'm dropping new videos very late nowadays because कॉलेज वर्क बहुत ज़्यादा हो चुका है, ऊपर से कोविड का भी अलग से यहाँ पे सीन चल रहा है, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा लाइक हैंडल करने में टाइम लग रहा है. बट आप लोगों के प्यार की वजह से आई एम स्टिल ऑन यूट्यूब. जितना भी मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स हुए हैं करंटली आई एम रनिंग विद 213 सब्सक्राइबर्स. बीइंग फ्रॉम अ नॉन ग्लैमरस background woman, it's a task and I'm very happy with it. Thank you so very much guys for supporting me so very much. Whatever be, so ये सब earrings आप ज़रूर से खरीदना, ज़रूर से 3 करके. You can tag me on Instagram on anywhere, just type Archita Mukherjee or just on Instagram Archita just post 10 and you will get the profile link and you can easily tag me over there. And the best ones I will repost them on my Instagram stories as well. So lots of love, bye bye, and ज़रूर से take care of yourself and stay happy. Lots of love.